Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your activity status in Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course the first thing that you'll need to do is log into your Google account and then go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail, and then looking at the upper right part of your screen, you can easily see this drop down box with the word active on it and the green circle on it. So if you click on it, you can see that you can mark your account as do not disturb or mute chat notifications, and then also set as away, and also you can also customize your status so that other people can see it. So for example, as you can see, I am currently at active, so all my messages, notifications, and other people can see me also as active. And then if I click do not disturb, it will mute chat notifications, and I can set a specific time until when do I want the notifications to be muted, like for example 2 hours. And you can easily see that here, and you can also set as away, like for example you're not in front of your computer and you can set your status as away. You can also add custom status, like for example be right back. Here are the examples or the custom status that Google has to offer, but you can also write your own, like for example studying, and it will immediately give you an emoji, but you can also select from it and change it, like for example this one. So you can clear the status after today or set a specific time, like for example after 30 minutes, and then click done. As you can see, your status is currently studying and the emoji is shown in the upper part. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!